So take a chicken breast. If it's a thick one, slice it exactly 1 by 2. Since this is a medium sized breast, I'm just opening it 1 by 2 like a butterfly cut. So I'm basically using cellophane paper. You can use a baking sheet, butter paper, you can use a Glad wrap also. And I'm just lining it over here. So we marinated chicken with thyme, a bit of chopped garlic, just spread generously across. Salt. It's important to salt it at every stage so it doesn't taste bland at the end. So you also got to remember not to salt it too much because you have Parmesan cheese in the crust. Pat it down nicely. Let it stick. Flip it over. Garlic. Salt. Black pepper. Pat it down. Rest it for 30 minutes in the fridge, please. We are going to make the crumbing batter. So I've taken some flour, some Cajun seasoning. This is roughly about 30 grams of flour. I've taken eggs, about 2 eggs, and I've just whipped them up so they're even consistency. And I've mixed about 40 grams of Parmesan cheese with about 40 grams of panko breadcrumbs and a bit of thyme sprigs in it. So that's the chicken. It's been resting for about half an hour now. I'm going to dip this into the flour first. The idea of putting in flour is so that the egg mix sticks onto it. So just make sure that there's not too much flour, so we can dust the excess off, but make sure that you get each and every side. So now that's the flour dusted chicken. Now I'm gonna just dip it into the egg yolk. Okay, so just quick soak. And now we dunk it into the panko crumb and press it down nicely. Get some more panko crumbs on the top. Press it down. The idea is to create a nice coating, not too thick, not too thin. Just make sure you've got everything covered. And once done, just transfer it onto a plate and prep the other ones. So just before we start prepping the chicken, cooking the chicken, let's just get the sauce underway. I've just added a bit of olive oil, adding some garlic. Swirl it around. Get the heat down. Let the butter gradually, slowly just melt. So once you see that the butter is nicely settled down, and some cream. I'm using heavy cream. Just on a low heat. Just whisk it. Finish the sauce with tons of parsley. And 1 lemon juice. You could use white pepper if you have white pepper. It gives beautiful taste. So we have to give it roughly about 3 minutes on each side. Don't cook it for more than 6 minutes because you already thinned it out. And when you flip it, you should get a beautiful golden color like that. It's about medium heat. I haven't done anything else. Do not move the chicken around. check what the doneness of the chicken. Just insert the chicken. The knife should go in and come out easily. So this is about done. Make sure that you roast the chicken for about a minute or a minute and a half or so.